back on the road again. Our last morning here in Lubbock, Texas, near Austin. And we're headed on about 7-hour drive today towards Lubbock, Texas. This was a beautiful RV park. Definitely miss it here. One thing we won't miss though is this Texas humidity. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is bring these jacks up. Jacks are coming up. Wait till this light goes off. All right, jacks are up. Go make sure they're all up, all up, all up. All right, Matthew just took a fresh poop. Put my gloves on for this one. I'm gonna clear this sewer hose. Put these valves up. And then lift this hose, clear it. Disconnect the hose. Put the sewer cap on, the access hole. Turn this off. Connect it to the water tank. Got some water in the fresh water tank. Put the water filter away now. Alright, now we're rinsing out our hose because had some solids stuck in there. Alright, cords plugged back into the coach. Unplugged from power.
Yes, hold on.
All right, we're back on the road, headed to Lubbock, Texas for an overnight on our way to Albuquerque. You guys ready?
Ready!
Ready? We're rolling. Another little tiny Texas town. These towns are scattered all over our route today, from Austin up to Lubbock. All right, time for some Danny's.
Oh wow, the gas is getting higher.
Time to eat some Danny's. On the road again.
You're gonna get the chicken, Carlo?
Danny's time. All right, Danny's lunch is done, guys. Nice, Mackers. And we're back on the road. Is that a city over there? I can't tell. We can't. I guess I just didn't expect this place to have a city like that.
Holy!
All right, pulling in.
I'm telling you, this is a lot bigger than the picture.
It is a lot. All right, we're here, guys.
A doggy! A doggy!
No, I know. Yeah, it is. We saw them on the freeway. That toy hauler right there. All right. Let's get set up.
I think I want to go film the park because there's giant tires over there. Look at those.
Oh, nice. Thanks, bud. All right, gonna set up the power first. Hot. Power's all connected. The front of our RV is straight up disgustingly filthy. Look at all these bugs. Just everywhere in here.
We found a black one.
We're all set up. We're not gonna put the jacks down today. Just because we're only here for 18 hours, so not even gonna mess with the jacks. Get this AC cranking, and we're camping. The good life right there. I drove 415 miles. She slept 415 miles. You gonna play on the playground?
No, we want to play and then play.
And then the pool?
Sliding down it. I'm going after him.
You going down the 300-year-old slide?
It's not gonna be. It's not. Go, go. Oh, fun. I did not like that. Go!
Bounce it down, Matt. You're not gonna let him play? You're just gonna hold him up in the air the whole time? Push, Matt. There you go. There you go. That's okay. You're good. You got it.
Wait a minute, Daddy. Wait a minute. Get closer. Wait, isn't that the deep camper that we saw?
Laundry time. Okay, once I get the laundry, you can play, okay? Say hi. Oh yeah. Excuse me, hello. Hopefully it's done, buddy. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. There's a kitty. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. Don't chase him. Not that one. Oh yeah, it's done. So is that one. Perfect.
Is that ours?
Okay, put it in there now. Or whatever drops on the floor, you get. Whatever drops on.
It's like basket.
Yeah, it's like basket.
Hey, dude. Bro,
Mac, no.
I'm trying to.
Like this. Like how Caesar's doing. Like this.
Like this.
Like that.
I do it like this.
That's fine. You don't. It's not about throwing it fast. Yes, just like that. There you go,
It's like
Mac.
it's like beanbag toss, but with rings. I'm gonna do it like
Oh,
this.
and take turns so that you don't hit each other.
Oh!
Shh.
Go inside.
No.
Here,
you
baby.
Stand up right there. And Mac, you stand right there.
And then Mac can give me the ring.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Who are these strangers in the middle of the road? All right, so we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night, relax here, probably get to bed early. Gotta finish up that laundry over there and then call it a night. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series. Another 7 or 8 episodes after this one. Consider subscribing below. And if you like the video, of course, smash that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Adios. Laundry's all done. Ready for another week of adventures. Man, it is pouring out there. You hear that, Mackie? You hear that, Mackie? Crazy midnight, 2 in the morning thunderstorm. Dude, it is coming down. Holy cowabunga. It is pouring rain out there. You can hear it.